Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you this card. I made this card for the Stamp and Hop blog hop that I was on last week, and the theme was the new mini catalogue and celebration. And so I've used this stamp set here, Touch of Ink, and it is a two-step stamp set, but on this I've coloured it with stamping blends, and so I'm going to make it today different colorway, and I'm going to do the two-step stamping instead. So I'm going to keep it quite simple, although that's quite simple, but I'm going to make it a simpler step. And I'm going to change the colors. I'm going to go for something sort of masculine as well. So I'm going to use a basic grey card blank, normal card blank. I've cut a piece of Whisper White for the inside for writing on, and then this is what I'm going to do my stamping on and die cutting, and that's cut out using the Stitch So Sweetly dies. You could of course just cut a rectangle if you really haven't got very much, so I'm sort of making it simple. And this is the lovely twine, so this is a double twine pack that's new in the mini catalogue, and it's got basic grey and Night of Navy twine, which is lovely. And I'm going to use basic grey and smoky slate, so keeping it very masculine. The stamps are bigger than shown on the picture, and I've got them all mounted. I'm not going to do the flower. I stamped it in the leaves on the outside for this one. I'm going to continue to do that, but I'm going to do the leaf pattern there because because I'm making it masculine. So I'm going to move that out of the way. So I'm going to bring in a piece of scrap paper, because I'm going to go off. So with my basic grey, I'm just going to stamp out. I've done this on quite a few cards. I'm not sure what order they've gone out in, so you may or may not have seen me do this already, but just stamping round the edge of the card. This is it's quite a new thing for me, really, just doing a little bit of a panel on the inside. Normally I do like a full card matte panel, but new year, try something new. Quite like the look. And in there, doesn't matter if it overlaps a bit. Let's fill in some of these little gaps on the edge. Like so. Might put a bit in there. There we go. That's that all covered, and obviously the centre is going to get covered with this. I'll move that out of the way, and I'm just going to stamp in the centre with this. Like so, and then I'm going to fill it with smoky slate. Just going for quite neutrals, I say, for a masculine card. And then these, they don't exactly line up. It's sort of like a watercolour effect, so they go over the lines. But I know some people don't like that, which is why on my first card I chose to colour it in, because I was crafting with my sister and online, and she was like, I don't really like it. So that is quite subtle with using the basic grey on the inside. Right, so now I'm just going to take my die, because I want to see where that's going to cut, so I can put my I went for not the biggest, I went for the next size down for this one, but it's actually, I'm just thinking if I need, no, that'll do. So thinking of you. Will fit in there. Like so. That'll work. So I am going to die cut that, and then we can just do the finishing touches. So that's it, die cut out there, and that's all right for a mat. So that's going to go on there. Now, as I've put that on there, there is a bit of a gap there, so I am going to stamp again to get some leaves down there. There, I think that works. Maybe another little bit down there. Yep, that's better. Okay, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of the grey twine on it. I'm going to pop it up on dimensionals. And this one I just put a little bow, just felt it needed a little bow, and I'm just wondering if I might do a wrap around with this one instead, just so it's a little bit different, because it is a masculine look. So I'm thinking I'll just do that instead. So just showing how you can change the look of something. So I'm going to pop a bit of this on. Because I can use the scallops. So I'll go there, and we'll take it down one. And across to up one. So we've just got a little bit of a cross over there, and then we'll put on some dimensionals. Need to open a new packet. New year, new packet. Oh, so stick that up there. I have a dimensional there. Stick that in the middle, give it a bit of stability, and then we'll just have a bit of that at the bottom. And that's it. So quite quick and simple. I think sometimes it's really easy to do complicated for a bit of a wow, but there's no reason why quick and simple can't be just as effective. And you can see how just a little change can give quite a different look to effectively the same design. And I cut that for the middle, and I thought it'd be always really nice to do a little bit of stamping on the inside as well. So I'm going to do that leaf on the inside, and I might, no, I won't. I was going to say I might do it smoky slate on the inside, but I haven't cleaned my pads, my stamps, so I'll stick with this one. I might just stamp off and stamp on. Do it at the top as well. Like so. Just give you a nice little finishing touch to your card. So a bit of Tombow. Stick that's that Tombow would all with the lid off. So we'll wait for hours to get it out, so we'll use this one. So there we are. Hope you're all enjoying the new catalogue. If you haven't got one and you'd like one, then just let me know. I'll pop one in the post for you. And this stamp set is free with a £90 order. So there we are. You can see quite different looking. Same stamp set, same sort of idea, but quite a different look. Okay, all the details will be over on nigezza.co.uk. There's a link down below, and I'll link to the original blog hop, and you can go and check out what everybody else has done with the new items. Okay, see you again soon. Bye for now.